I'm going to show you the easiest possible way to play Stand By Me and Let It Be on guitar, okay? All you gotta do is just move 2 fingers. Goes a little something like this. I'm a teacher how to play an easy song today. You just move 2 fingers in this way. When I found myself learning guitar, I loop on this constantly, playing with 2 fingers all day. Easy, right? Want these tabs for future reference in the description. They lay below the video. Learn to play. Learn to play. Learn to play the easy way. Download the bundle today. Whenever you're in trouble, won't you play these chords? Oh, won't you play these chords? Play with me now. Easy, easy like a Sunday morning. I wanna get high, so high.